Looking for a creative way to switch up just a plain black dress without using AI. So what I did was I shot this. I did have flash camera, right? It was an AED 200, and you can see the sunshine behind her. So we had a lot of pretty light, but I just wanted to make sure that I illuminated her and took all the shadows out of her skin. But I felt like the dress in this particular shot was just a little too boring. So I switched everything up. And what I did was I added a pattern to the dress and I added some of my flowering weed PMG overlays and did my basic color toning, and this is the result. So what I'm going to do today is I'm just going to show you how you can change the pattern on a black dress. So duplicate your layer. And then you're just going to choose Select Subject. Once you do this, just add a layer mask. And we're going to work on top of our subject. So the reason that I did that is because now when I add a layer above and I hold down my Alt Option key between these two layers, I click it and now I have a clipping mask. I'm going to change the blend mode to hard light. I'm going to come over to my 2026 set of brushes and just grab my art flowers. Now it's up to you what color you want to use. I was kind of leaning towards the purples in this image, and I'll just show you. So let's just grab a saturated color like this. And all you're going to do is make your brush bigger, and keeping in mind that we cut her out so that we had a clipping mask. Now we're just going to drag this brush and its effects over top of the black dress. Make your brush smaller, and you're going to do it over top of the upper. Now don't worry about getting it on her arms and stuff like that. You're just going to grab your eraser tool, and I always make sure that I have a relatively sharp brush, so I use my overpaint brush for this. And now all you're going to do is just erase that off of her skin. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to go back to your brush, and this time you're going to choose a green color. And we're just so gently going to come in and just add a little bit of greenery to various parts of the dress. Make your brush smaller. Same thing, go over top of this portion of the dress. And last one, we're going to grab reds. Before we do that, we're just going to zoom in and make sure that that didn't get onto any places we didn't want it to be. Like right here, nothing on the skin. Okay, we're good to go. So now we're going to grab back to our flower brush, and this time we're using red. So now when we come in, we can just add a little bit of the red flowers in like so. Okay, grab your eraser and just erase those bits off. And then all you have to do is reduce your fill until it gets to a place where you think it looks good. I think I just did 55. And that is how you add really pretty patterns to dresses. Super fun, super easy, and now you can have a totally different color cohesive image. And remember, if you are interested in any of my brushes or any of my flowering weeds, you can head over to my store, link in the description. Chat later.